Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of cinematic text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change the text and you can also do some more customization. If you want to download this project file, check the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. First of all, drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download all of these images from the link in the video's description. And then confirm it. Create a curves adjustment layer on top of it and adjust it just like this. Now select this layer and drop down its opacity to 50%. Now create a new layer on top of everything and rename it clouds. Also convert this layer into a smart object so we can edit its value later if you want. Now go to filter, render and choose clouds. Again go to filter, blur and choose surface blur. Radius is 30 and the threshold is 40. Now hold Alt key on your keyboard and click on this icon to create a negative layer mask. Pick your brush tool, make sure your foreground color is white and the brush opacity is 10%. Now dab on those areas where you want the smoke to be. You can also drop down its opacity if you want to. Next, select the type tool and type your text. Change its color and confirm it. You can also add more text and change its color. Now select these two layers and convert them into a smart object. Rename it text. Now drag and drop this texture into the Photoshop and confirm it. Right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it. Right click on the layer and choose blending option. Take this slider and slowly and gradually move it to the left side. Now hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click on it to break it apart. And then move this slider to the left side. And then hit OK. Now drag and drop this dust particle image into the Photoshop and change its blend mode to screen. Also drop down its opacity to 40%. Drag and drop this image, change its blend mode to screen and move it to the right place. Same thing with the rest. Now the last thing that we need to do is to create a new layer on top of everything and make a selection on its top area. Fill the selected area with black color. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now pick your move tool, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Now select both layers and merge them together by pressing Ctrl E. Let's rename it film bars. And now it is done. You can also change the text. Double click on this layer, it will open another document. And here you can type whatever you want. Close the document when you are happy with the text and Photoshop will update everything for you. So there you have. If you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catching you in my next video. Till then, peace.